Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly go over with you how you can see what you've turned in, what I've graded so far, either me or Mr. Hughes. So if you go into Schoology, come over here to the left, and you click grades, this will pop up. And I'm using another student. I'm looking at this as a student. So this student, this is the average so far. Now, I haven't entered any zeros, okay? So just be aware of that. So these are the items that have been turned in if they have a grade. If they do not have a grade, they have not been turned in. And this is everything from the very beginning that we've taken in Schoology. So this person needs to do these items. So all they have to do, and I'm just going to right click and open in a new link so I don't lose this, but you just click on it. And when you click on it, it takes you straight to the assignment. At this point, they can answer this question, click submit, create, answer it, and then submit the question. I should have opened one of those. So they need 3 higher order thinking questions, their significance paragraph, the T-chart, the brochure, which I'm not sure if those got graded or not, the keep it or junk it word list, your analyzing sources gallery, and then your 4-document analysis sheet. Everything else has been turned in. Now, eventually, this stuff that's missing will become a 0. Now, this is not the official grade book. This is where you can go to look to see what you have turned into Schoology. Okay? So today, Friday, not today, but tomorrow, when you have finished doing all of your assignments, I want you to go to your grade book right over here, click it, and turn in what you have missing, because surely, I hope, that you've been doing your work every day that has been assigned to you by the sub or the teacher that is in the room with you. Let me know if you have any problems. Hopefully, I'll see you on Monday.